Just one day before delivery, I literally ruined this order. Anyone else ever had a massive craft disaster? But wait, look! Well, despite that crazy midnight disaster, we are actually celebrating a major milestone today. As you saw on the thumbnail, I officially got my first ever Mandala art order. I have to say a massive thank you to the person for trusting me and my artwork. Well, he requested a custom coat with a vibrant purple gradient, and honestly he was so particular about the details, तो मुझे इसे बिल्कुल ही perfect बना के देना था at any cost. So I took my time, mapped out the grid lines to create that perfect symmetry just to make sure the foundation was completely solid. And then I started with the intricate details and patterns. Well, for me, mandalas are all about patience and flow. They look deeply therapeutic and meditative, but it also requires intense focus. So I didn't rush the patterns and curves here, and just to make sure, I even let it dry for one whole day. At this point, everything looked absolutely great, and I was so proud of how it had turned out. But, you know how they say, when you are being extra careful or too attentive about something, things are just bound to go wrong. That is exactly the tragedy of life that happened here. It was 11 at night, just one day before the courier. I sat down to apply liquid varnish so it could dry overnight, completely unaware of the fact that you are not supposed to use liquid varnish over these pens. And the moment I swiped my brush, the design began to smudge. So, for a few minutes, I could not process what had actually happened. I literally sat there looking at my hands, looking at my smudged artwork, and not knowing what to do. After some time, I gathered myself up and realized that being a professional doesn't mean that you don't make mistakes. It means that you know how to bounce back up. Luckily, to my realization, the background gradient was completely intact. So I carefully wiped away the smudged lines and remade the entire artwork from scratch late into the night. And thankfully it came out beautifully. I let it dry till the next morning, packed it up and rushed to the courier office for delivery as soon as possible. And so, in spite of the last minute midnight chaos, my first order was shipped completely on time. Do share your disaster stories below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!